Right, so working on this Kia RIO again. Parker light's not working, and so just having a look at this connection here. When putting it on the multimeter, just giving it a test, the earth is okay and one connection is okay, but the other one's not. So I decided to pull it apart and see if there's something I can do to clean it up. And I just press the clips in the side, on either side, to get the center out. And then I can get to the earth point on that, clean that up properly, and hopefully I can do the same with these connections in here. You can't reach them normally, but they are pretty bad looking, to give them a clean up as well. Well, you can see this is the earth point here, so I can clean that up easy enough. And this is one of the clips inside there. It's just a matter of getting underneath there. Let's see if I can just getting underneath there with the screwdriver. Just give it a bit of a push up and it comes out easy enough. There's no springs or anything to worry about. That's what they look like when it comes out. So you can give them a clean and put the connection back together. Save yourself buying a whole new fitting. Just clean the one up that you got. And you just can see that I'm doing one side at a time, just so that I don't confuse which one goes where. I took one out, cleaned it up, put it back in. Now I've taken the other one out, cleaning it up to put it back in and put the earth back in and put the connection back together. She should be right. So now about to put it back together. So there you go. And those can be swapped around. I tried it out and they can be swapped around, so that's not a problem. The earth goes back into this connection here, and then we just clip it back on in place. And there you go, she's in and she works again. So those who didn't see my other video, this light was full of water before and I cleaned it all out. So it explains why that connection there got all dirty inside and wasn't working anymore, but she's all fixed and going now.